Look, I don't know you, magazine media kid, but if you think you're gonna take away marketing dollars from millions of businesses, think again. Oh, I'm coming for you, with lots and lots of LinkedIn marketing. I will find you. Hey Sean, I just put a new client in onboarding. Never mind. What's going on, guys? Today we're talking about LinkedIn marketing, and yes, we have some results. Like our 2,904 followers on our company's LinkedIn page. Or check out these 19,000 impressions that we get every single month. Or take a look at these 12,000 clicks that we generated with LinkedIn ads. So if you're a business and you're wondering, can I grow with a LinkedIn marketing strategy? Then this video is for you. Hey, I'm Sean with LYFE Marketing, the digital marketing agency that saves people from bad marketing and no growth. LinkedIn has a strong reputation for job searching and recruiting. That's because the main unique factor about LinkedIn is they give their users the ability to post and review digital resumes. What skills do I have? Well, I'm proficient in Microsoft Office. No, wait. I'm proficient in the Microsoft Suite. In the early years of LinkedIn, people would use it to find positions, but then they eventually got bored and they left the platform. But what about today? You may be wondering if LinkedIn can really help me get traffic, leads, and sales. Well, in 2020, LinkedIn has evolved into an attractive option with over 300 million active users. LinkedIn has updated their algorithm, added new features for long form content, and they've even started to focus on video. And with all these changes, it has convinced industry experts to come share content, network, and build up their personal brands, which translates into more people coming to their platform to consume their content. So LinkedIn should definitely be a respected marketing channel, especially if you're a B2B company, which stands for business to business. So today, I'm gonna give you 3 simple steps for effective LinkedIn marketing. Before I dive in, thank you to everyone who's been subscribing and liking our videos. We're already at 600 plus subscribers since we started taking video content seriously, so thank you so much. And as you know, these videos take a lot of time to produce and edit, so we hope that you consider liking this video and sharing more of our content. All right, let's go ahead and dive in with step number 1, take advantage. Today, LinkedIn is what Facebook was in 2012. You know, the good old days when all your fans would see all of your posts. You get to see it, and you get to see it. Everybody gets to see it. However, today, organic reach is down on Facebook and you have to spend money to reach even your own fans. But on LinkedIn, there's a rare opportunity where you can reach a lot of people for a fraction of the cost. But listen, every social media platform goes through a period of monetization, meaning that they will decline organic reach and start forcing companies to pay for the attention. It will definitely happen, it always does. It's happening right now on Instagram. So the most important advice today is to simply get started. Don't give yourself another reason to wait or miss out on this golden opportunity. All right, now that that's out the way, let's go ahead and move on to step number 2. Start creating content. One of the first questions that we often get is, what exactly should I be posting on LinkedIn? Well, if you're a B2B company, then thought leadership through content marketing should be your first move. Okay, not that kind of move. If you're not sure what content marketing is, then make sure you watch Sherman's video on what is content marketing, linked above. A company named BuzzSumo analyzed 10 million articles on LinkedIn and found that headlines like "the future of," "X ways to," and "how to" got the most shares on LinkedIn. Follow these headline strings, start writing down some unique opinions and thoughts, and that should help you get started with creating some content. Now, the next question is, how are you going to deliver this content? Well, you got options. You can create a simple text post, maybe combine that with an image, or my personal favorite, use video. Video helps you to establish a stronger connection with your audience. Think of it like dating. You may meet somebody online and send them some messages. You might even send them some of your best pictures. But when you can talk to them and have a conversation, then you have an opportunity to develop a much stronger connection. Also, think about your favorite influencer or celebrity. I'm willing to bet you that you connected with them over video or voice first. But hey, maybe I'm wrong. Comment below if you love an influencer or a celebrity and you never seen them on video or heard their voice. I'm curious. Okay, let's move on to step number 3, boost your content. Listen, there are some people out there that will sell you the dream that if you create great content, you'll go viral and people will be begging to work with you. But the harsh reality is that if no one knows about your content, then no one will care. Now, whether your LinkedIn page is new or you already have an established LinkedIn page, it's critical that you're trying to reach as many new people as possible. So that's where LinkedIn ads come into play. Now, I know I said organic reach is great on LinkedIn, but that's for existing fans. You still have to go out and hunt to find new fans. So with LinkedIn ads, you have the ability to reach a very targeted audience. Let's take a look at how we're using LinkedIn to reach new fans. All right, I'm on my computer now and we're looking at LinkedIn and specifically LYFE Marketing's LinkedIn companies page. Now I'm in the admin view, so I have access to analytics. And as you can see, in the last 30 days, we had some significant increases in some certain areas. So we had 783 unique views in the last 30 days, 106 new followers, and almost 20,000 post impressions at exactly 19,900 post impressions. All right, so we had some significant increases, and this is mainly due to using LinkedIn advertising to amplify our messages. So I want to look over here at LinkedIn's campaign manager and just start to show you guys the possibilities with LinkedIn advertising. So to start out, you have objective selection. So you can choose from an awareness section, a consideration section, as well as a conversion section. All right. For the sake of this example, I'm just going to click on video views, which allows you to optimize for more video views. Now, the targeting is what makes LinkedIn very special. You can target based on location. In this case, we have United States selected by default. You can target based on language. In this case, we have English selected as default. And what's most important with LinkedIn, what makes it stand out from any other advertising source, is their ability to target unique audiences. So you can target based on job titles, companies, and even different groups that you like. So for example, we're in the marketing space and we can target based on marketing job functions, people who study marketing, people who work in the marketing and advertising industry, for example. Let's also say that maybe you sell a product to hospitality companies, right? You can target the hospitality industry right here in LinkedIn advertising, and you can even nail down to a specific company that you want to target. All right, so let's say, for example, you're a manufacturing company, you're looking for someone to buy your product or maybe manage your products. You can target people by their positions. Again, here we find some product managers, some project managers that may be able to help you out. So that's what makes LinkedIn marketing so special, is their ability to target different audience attributes as well as your own custom audiences. All right, and then from here we have different ad formats to choose from. We currently only have video ads because I selected the video views campaign. But if we look at website visits, then we get a lot of different ad formats: the single ad format, the carousel ad format, video ads, text ads, and so on. And it looks like they have a new one here in beta. I haven't seen this yet. You're seeing this live with me. They have a conversation ad beta format coming out. All right, now a lot of this is just standard stuff. You can set your budget, your schedules, you can install some conversion tracking. But hopefully this helps you start to see all the possibilities that you have with LinkedIn to amplify your content and reach new people. Hopefully by now you can see how LinkedIn marketing is so beneficial, so targeted, so effective, so engaging. Okay, Sean, we get it. All right, so since you made it this far, you might as well go ahead and subscribe because I got 2 bonus tips for you. Tip number 1, future-proof your strategy. Right now, a popular strategy for generating attention on LinkedIn is to send DMs. DM stands for direct messages. And on LinkedIn, you have the ability to direct message anyone. In fact, direct messages are so popular that LinkedIn has even started to monetize with messaging ads. So salespeople everywhere are using LinkedIn to message people. It's the perfect opportunity to put together your 30-second sales pitch in written form and try to book a meeting. Hey, we're even using messaging ads for a few of our clients and they're working, at least for now. The truth is that these messages are being overdone and less effective every day. And if these messages start being viewed as spam, then they'll likely be a direct threat to LinkedIn's user base. So LinkedIn will likely put new restrictions and start blocking some automations going through LinkedIn messages. So if this is one of your most reliable strategies for generating business, then you could crash fast. Instead, follow the tips in this video. Focus on content, focus on brand, and let the attention come to you. This is a time-tested strategy that will position your business for any future changes. All right, now let's move on to tip number 2. Don't overthink your content. Listen, I know you care a lot about your brand, about your message, and about your personal reputation, but don't get caught up in analysis paralysis. People who want to make sure everything is absolutely perfect. Sometimes you have to live with a couple of mistakes in the grammar, the header, the font size, the weather. The grammar, the header, the font size, the weather. The grammar, the header, the font size, the weather. So it's okay. Remember, this is a golden opportunity. So the name of the game is speed. Hey Sean, I can do 50 push-ups in 50 seconds. Okay, not that kind of speed. You just have to keep moving and keep pushing and live with a few mistakes. Now, I'm not saying you should go out there and just throw up trash, but just remember your intentions matters more than being perfect, because we all can tolerate a few mistakes, but no growth, well, that's just plain unacceptable. So in conclusion, I gave you 3 fire tips for LinkedIn marketing. Number 1, take advantage before it's too late. Number 2, start creating amazing B2B content. And number 3, use LinkedIn ads to amplify your content. Also, keep in mind those bonus tips that I gave you at the end. That's it for this video. Also, make sure you watch some of our other videos on this channel as well. We got videos on what is CPM, CTR, marketing budgets. So make sure you check it out because that can also help you with your LinkedIn marketing. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.